Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to be doing a screen replacement on a Samsung Galaxy Note 3, and I'm just going to be replacing just the glass. I already did a video replacing the entire LCD, which is a lot easier, but in this one I'm going to do just the glass. Alright, so first thing you got to do is remove the back cover, remove the battery, and remove the SIM card and SD card if you have one. Alright, and then for this repair we're going to be using either a heat gun or a hair dryer. If you're using a heat gun like me, you got to be really careful you don't overheat the LCD because it'll damage it. And I'm probably going to be using these guitar picks to slowly slide down the screen after I get it up. And if not, I'll be using this very thin blade, which is also very helpful for this. And I may be using this string. Alright, so here goes. First thing you got to do is heat up the LCD so we can start removing it carefully. And I'm heating it on low so that it doesn't overheat it, just to be safe. Alright, so every now and then you could touch it just to feel it and see if it's hot enough. Alright. Alright, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to stick this thin blade over here so that the screen can kind of lift up. Alright, and as you can see, the glue's already kind of separating just from that. Alright, so once you stick that in there, you can stick the guitar pick in, and I'm gonna stick the other guitar pick in as well. Remember to push very carefully. You don't want to push too hard because it'll completely shatter the LCD. So you want to do this very slowly and make sure it has enough heat. You gotta wedge around the glass very carefully. Alright, so some progress there. Alright. Once you have it like this, they're both completely in. The top is peeling off. Just give it a little more heat because it probably cooled down by now. Ooh. Looks like it's hot enough. So let's continue some more. There you see all the glue going down a little bit quicker. Let's do this side. Oh. Alright, so I'm gonna heat it up some more. It's cooled down a lot. Oof, man, this thing's hot. I'm gonna try the string, see if I could advance a little bit more. Oh, yeah, this string, nylon string, is not very good. It breaks very easily. Alright, so I'm not really getting anywhere with this nylon string. It keeps breaking. I'm gonna keep using my picks. Alright, let's give it some more heat. Alright, so I'm going to give it some heat. Alright, so once you get there, you have pretty much removed the entire screen. So you can now take out the wire or whatever you were removing the screen with, and then now the screen should lift up easily from top to bottom. Watch out with the buttons at the bottom. Make sure you peel them off correctly. Here's the home button. Put that to the side. And the menu and the back button. Make sure they don't rip. Carefully with the guitar pick or the prying tool, get behind it and just push it back down to where it goes. There you go. Alright, and then once you do that, you can remove the screen. There you go. Alright, and now before I put the new glass on, I just want to test the screen, make sure it turns on properly. So let's put on this battery. Alright, so it doesn't look like it has any broken spots up to here, so I'm just gonna clean the screen from the glue and place the new glass on. Alright, so now to remove this old glue, I like to do it just with my fingers. Slide your finger across and you'll see how the glue slowly comes off. Alright, well, I'm gonna pause the video because you guys get the point. You know, you gotta remove all this glue. I'm just doing it with my finger and I'm gonna continue to do it. I'm gonna keep recording after I have removed this glue so I can show you how to clean the screen good. Alright, so I removed most of the glue with my finger like I was showing you, but there's still a couple of little glue spots on there which you can see. So now I'm gonna show you how to you know, completely clean it to take out the rest of those little glue pieces that are on there. Alright, so this is how I like to do it. I like to clean it with some alcohol, rubbing alcohol, and a clean cloth, little cleaning cloth. Let's see if I can find one. Alright, so I found the cloth. This is what we're going to be using. So what you do is, with your finger, you get just a little bit of alcohol and you're gonna rub it on the screen and see how that removes the glue and it completely cleans it. Alright, so once you have the screen completely clean, make sure that there's no glass left over around the frame of the phone. Alright, so once it's completely clean, now you're ready to place the new glass on. And as you can tell, I'm not putting any double-sided adhesive around it because it still has the previous double-sided adhesive, so I don't need to add a new one. Alright, so here's my new glass that we're going to be placing on. And remember to place the home button on there. Alright, so take off the plastic on the screen protector. One more time, just double check and make sure that the screen's clean. And take off the screen and place it on. There you go. Came out really good. It looks pretty much like new. Now let's place the battery back on, the SIM card, and test the phone. Alright. I was just cleaning the screen because it had some fingerprints on it. There you go. Now it's cleanup time. Alright, so it looks like the whole screen's lit up. Let's test the digitizer. Side to side. Yep, looks like it's working fine. And then up and all the way down. It looks like it's working fine. And let's just test all the keyboard. Alright, there you go. So it looks like it's working fine. The menu button, back button. Alright, there you go. I hope this video helped you guys. Thank you very much for watching, and if it helped you, please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.